So this is a structure pop quiz 11. I'll go through the question in case if you have a doubt, you can mention the specific part. Question 1, part A, any doubt? Question 1, part B, any doubt? C, D, D2, okay. In D2, write the equation for a reaction of a chlorine with water. So when a chlorine react with a water, it will form HOCl plus HCl, which is also used for the treatment of the water kill bacteria. So when a chlorine gas reacted with water, H2O, and it's a reversible reaction, as a result, it will produce HOCl plus HCl. Then the next one is chlorine is reacting with sodium hydroxide, hot sodium hydroxide, because there's a different product if you use hot or a cold. So you have to remember, like if you are using, if it was a cold, only one product will be there, which will be NaCl, like NaCl plus NaClO. But if it is a cold, it will be NaCl plus NaClO. But it is hot, so as a result, the reaction will produce a chlorine plus NaOH will give NaCl plus NaClO3 plus H2O. This is the product. If it was a cold, then it will not be NaClO3, it will be NaClO only with a cold one. And then we have to balance the equation. Usually when we try to balance oxygen first. So 3 oxygen here, and we have 1, total 4 on the right and only here. So if you put, this is a fixed equation, you can learn the balancing part. So if I put 3 here and I put 6, so hydrogen and oxygen both are balanced. And then we have chlorine, sodium are 6. So if I want to balance sodium, 5 plus 1 makes 6. And we have chlorine, 3 multiplied by 2 makes 6 chlorine. So either you learn, memorize this equation for the reaction of a chlorine with hot sodium hydroxide, that product will be NaCl plus NaClO3 plus H2O. If it was a cold, then it will be NaCl plus NaClO plus H2O will be there. So you have to memorize this, the equations. Part E, any doubt? Part E, 1, 2, 3, any doubt? Question 2, part A, any doubt? Question 2A. Here the bonds are given, the bond energies are given. We just have to use bond breaking minus bond forming. Part B, any doubt? Part C? Part C1, C2, any doubt? CI, okay. In the first one, describe the behavior of H3PO4 in step 1. What is the behavior or what it is acting? The first one. So H3PO4, this is a formula for the phosphoric acid H3PO4. What it gives it proton. Like it will take this and it has donated the proton. So if a substance donated a proton, what we call that substance? We call that as acid. So this compound is acting like an acid. And what is the electrophile here? This H plus, which is lost here. This H plus is acting like an electrophile. But H3PO4, what it is acting? It is acting as acid because acids are proton donors. So its behavior, it's acting as an acid because it is donating proton. Any other doubt? Question part 3, 4, 5, 6, C part D. Describe the covalent bonds between carbon atoms in ethene. Question 3, any doubt? Question 3, part A, part B, part C. Part D. No doubt in this.